Welcome back, everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today. In this explainer, we're getting completely hands-on. We've got a step-by-step guide to unlocking premium AI tools completely free of charge. Now, if you're a student in Pakistan, listen up, because you are in the exact right place. We're drawing all our info today from a fantastic tutorial by the channel Mr. How, and he breaks down exactly how you can snag access to Google's super powerful Gemini AI to start building a real digital income. The digital landscape is literally shifting beneath our feet, and today's explainer is your blueprint to get ahead of the curve without spending a single dime.
So, I want you to really think about this for a second. Why aren't you making money with AI yet? Right? There's this massive AI automation trend exploding across the globe right now. People are using these exact tools to fully automate their content creation, and they're raking in thousands of dollars doing it. And our source material points out a super relatable frustration. We all see the trend, but it feels like nobody is actually showing us how to do it for free. Well, that changes right now. This is where you get empowered. If other folks are pulling this off, you absolutely can too, for sure. All you need is the right access and a little bit of guidance, and that's exactly what we're unpacking today.
Okay, so let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We're breaking this down into 5 quick sections. Section 1, the free AI opportunity. Section 2, claiming the student offer. Section 3, verifying your enrollment. Then, Section 4, the virtual card hack. And finally, Section 5, launching your AI channel. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the free AI opportunity. So, the whole landscape has officially shifted because Google has just opened an office in Pakistan. And thanks to this massive expansion, there's a huge new opportunity aimed directly at empowering students with premium digital tools. $50 a month. I really want you to anchor that number in your mind. Why? Because that is the actual real-world monetary value of the premium Gemini AI subscription you're getting. This isn't some watered-down basic version of the software. This is the absolute top-tier, high-powered AI the professionals are shelling out $50 for every single month. And thanks to this new initiative, it's being handed to students completely for free. It's an absolutely crucial advantage for jumpstarting your digital journey. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? I know we all get a little skeptical when we hear the word free, right? But here is the exact breakdown. For the first 12 months, you get totally free access, plus a whopping 400 gigabytes of cloud storage. It's a wildly generous package. Now, after those 12 months are up, the standard rate does kick in, which is 1,400 rupees a month. But here's the absolute best part. You can cancel anytime. Seriously. You use it for free for an entire year, and right before the 12 months wrap up, you just cancel the subscription so you don't pay that 1,400 rupee fee. Zero strings attached. And you can always renew it later if you want. It's completely risk-free.
Moving right along to Section 2, claiming the student offer.
Okay, so we know what the deal is, but how do we actually get our hands on it? This is the action phase of our explainer. I'm going to walk you through exactly what you need to type and click to breeze through the registration. Step 1 is super simple. Grab your phone or hop on your computer, go to Google, and just search for Gemini for Students. You'll see a prompt pop up offering AI training for students at no cost. Click that and hit the Get Student Offer button. For Step 2, a form pops up asking for your country and your school. Just start typing the name of your registered school, college, or university in Pakistan, and it'll actually auto-populate in a drop-down menu for you. Easy. Then fill in your first name, last name, and date of birth. But hey, really pay attention to Step 3 here. This is crucial. The system is going to auto-generate a default @school email address in the field. You've got to delete that. Totally erase it and type in your own personal Gmail address instead, the one you're actually using to apply. Pop in your password and hit Next. Which brings us to Section 3, verifying your enrollment. Look, whenever a massive tech company gives away a premium, expensive tool for free, they're obviously going to ask for some proof. And honestly, this is a super common roadblock where folks get intimidated and just kind of give up. But as you'll see, we're going to bypass this so easily. To prove you're enrolled, all you got to do is upload a quick photo of your student ID card, your college or university card, or even just an official fee receipt from your school showing you've paid your dues. Literally, any of those will work perfectly as your proof of enrollment. Once you upload it, your application goes into review. And the best news, highlighted by our source, is that Google's review process here is crazy fast. Like, if your document is legit, you can expect to get approved in anywhere from 5 minutes to half an hour. You'll get a confirmation email, and boom, the AI is unlocked. Okay, let's jump to Section 4, the virtual card hack. So even after you're approved, there's usually one final major hurdle that stops so many students right in their tracks, and that's the payment card requirement. During the setup, the system asks you to enter a debit or credit card, and let's be real here, most students don't exactly have platinum credit cards just sitting in their wallets. But don't stress, you definitely don't need to go open a physical bank account to solve this. You just need a free virtual card. It's basically a brilliant digital bank card alternative. According to the Mr. How tutorial, you just hop online or go to your app store and search for a free virtual wallet. There's a bunch of popular ones available right there in Pakistan. You just make a quick account on one of these apps and it instantly generates a digital card number for you. Then, you just take those digital card details, plug them into the Google Gemini registration page, and you have successfully bypassed the requirement. Your account is officially finalized and you are totally in.
Let's move to our final stop, Section 5, Launching Your AI Channel.
All right, so you've navigated all the technical setup, and you've got premium, high-powered AI right at your fingertips for absolutely nothing. So what do you actually do with it? This is where we shift from setting things up to actually reaping the benefits. This is where you start earning $5 to $20. That number represents your earning potential per 1,000 views. By using your brand new Gemini AI, you can easily generate scripts, concepts, and instructions to make short, highly engaging 10-second videos. The source explains that by automating this whole content creation process, basically letting the AI do all the heavy lifting of coming up with the ideas and the visuals, you can start pulling in between $5 and $20 for every 1,000 views your content gets. And let me tell you, that scales up incredibly fast. So where exactly are you posting these automated videos? Well, the big three: YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You can literally run automated content channels across all these platforms at the exact same time. You just give the AI an instruction, and it preps the whole video for you. And hey, if you're sitting there wondering exactly how to string all these pieces together into a fully automated system, the source channel Mr. How explicitly says that they offer full automation tutorials right on their YouTube channel, completely free of charge. You don't have to guess or figure it out on your own. The exact blueprint is just waiting for you. Now, this brings me to a super important warning from our source. No paid courses, everything is free of cost. The creator is deeply, deeply passionate about this. The whole mission here is to make Pakistan digital through free education. You absolutely have to avoid the quote-unquote fake gurus. You know the ones, the people dropping their WhatsApp numbers in the comments or claiming to be your Abu who holds the secret key to your success for a totally unreasonable fee. Do not pay them. Literally everything you need to learn about AI automation is available out there absolutely free of cost. We're staying totally true to this mission of free digital education.
Well, we've covered the massive opportunity, the step-by-step setup, the clever workarounds, and the monetization strategy. Now, it all comes down to you. What will your first AI video be about? I really want to challenge you right now to take immediate action. You've got the knowledge, you know exactly how to bypass the roadblocks, and you have access to a top-tier $50 a month tool for free. Don't just let this sit in your brain as another interesting piece of internet trivia. Go claim your account, set up that virtual card, and generate your very first piece of content today. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll catch you next time.